Hi, my name is Orpheus. I'm from the product team of Upstox. Welcome to the webinar. So today's webinar will be on Pro Web. We will be telling you what all features that we are releasing. So the current build, if you're able to see, is like it's not yet live into pro.upstox.com. So currently it is in testing. So possibly in the next 2 to 3 days, we will be launching this on Pro Web, and you can start using it. So this is the build that you are able to see currently, and the main integrations that we have done is first for MCX, and the second one is like keyboard shortcuts. So after introduction of MCX, now the platform has provided you rights for trading into NSE, BSC, and MCX. So this is the newest latest thing that we have. Let me show you how to use MCX. So if you are actually using Upstox, then it will be like very easy for you because the entire process is same. If you can see here, so I already have one script added for gold petal. Then also I have for mega gold. So the adding process is like simple. The way you do for futures and options, you just need to type like crude oil, and it will show you all the contracts. If you want to show search for crude oil mini, you can just write crude oil mini. You can just click on the button, and that's get added at the top. So currently, previously what we did is like whatever scripts you add that were getting added at the bottom, but now to make it like more convenient and easy, so whenever you add a script, that gets added at the top, so it becomes very easy for use. So you can see currently the today from we have a mock trading session for MCX. That's the reason you're able to see the rates getting refreshed. So this is the script that I have currently added, which is crude oil mini. If you see that I have set up my particular workspace in such a way that is like very convenient for me for training. So if you can see that I have a watch list, I have a code panel for quick order entry, and charts if I want to get a quick view on the charts. Then just to maintain books, I have maintained books in a separate workspace. So this is the book section that I have. I have my order book, I have holdings, and then I have position book as well. Then from an analysis, I have charts into the third workspace. So these are my charts. So whatever charts I have added, so we can view here. So M6 is quite easy. The way I just showed you how to add a scripts. The same way you need to like use like if you double click on this. So what happens is like yeah. So when you double click, you will get a detailed view screen. It will load all the details. Just a second. So whatever script you click on, it will get added. It is the same normal process that you currently do on the Pro Upstocks, and you'll find all the same details loaded here as per this particular script. So this is how you normally use the Upstocks Pro application. So for M6 also it will be similar to this, on this lines. Then the other thing that we have is keyboard shortcuts. Now, this was one of the features that we were not having, but many of the customers were asking for it, and we have tried to integrate it. Previously, we had keyboard shortcuts, but those were like not that convenient because if you know, then normally the keyboard shortcuts that you use are like the function keys, and the web browsers have their primary default functions, so they function in a very different way. So we had to handle it, and we have currently made the keyboard shortcuts in such a way that it will be like very convenient now. So just to find a list of keyboard shortcuts, like if you want to see what all keyboard shortcuts are there, so you can just click on this profile kind of now option, click on this, and normally what happens is like this will open up and you will see a new option gets added here. So that's nothing but the option for adding the keyboard shortcuts. So what happens is like when you click on the keyboard shortcut screen, you will find the list of all the keyboard shortcuts that are there added on this particular thing. So you can see all the keyboard shortcuts like an F1 for buy, F2 for sell, F3 for order book, the normal things that you will find in a normal desktop application. So those things we have tried to integrate it. And whenever you feel like you want to see the list of keyboard shortcuts, they are available here itself. So whenever you might, if you forget some of this particular things, you can just come up to this particular window and you can just have a great view of it. So the way normally what I do is like if I go to charts, so if I normally go to charts, I'll just refresh the page. I'll show you how it looks like. So this is my codes, then these are my books, then these are my charts. So by any chance, if you feel that you are placing trades from your chart itself and you want to view an order book, you can just press F3 and the order book is then and there available at the front of you. So it is like there is no lagging, nothing. So if I just want to see my position book, I'll just click F11 and that appears up. If I want to see my trade book, I'll click F8 and that is there. Also, we have added like holdings at F9. So these are the most convenient features that you will find. So think about this, that you want to see your watch list without going to quotes, then you can just click on F4. And once you click on F4, the watch list comes up. You can use the up and down arrow keys for like selecting the scripts, or like if you want to, if I want to place an order for Reliance Capital, you can just click on this, then press the F1 key and the order entry opens. Without using the mouse, I can just go and place, I will just put an order as 600 and I will just enter up, and you can see a new thing that is coming up, which is the notification in a very different way. So whenever I place any of the orders, I will get one notification which will see what has happened with the order. So currently I place this order and this has got rejected, and I will also find a reason here itself. So normally a rejected status, it will show you up for like 10 seconds and then it will get disappeared. And if it's like a normal trade or some kind of a notification, it will wait for like 5 seconds. So this will be like very convenient for you. So if you want to just read the reason for more than 10 seconds, then you can just keep your cursor over this and it will stay till the time you don't remove the cursor. So as I remove it, it will get disappeared. So all the normal notifications you will find in this particular window, on the notification window that we have, which will have the entire list. But still, if whenever there is a trade happening or something it is happening, you will find a direct notification coming up. So say if I wish to place one another order on say Axis Bank, so I will just place an order on Axis Bank. It's like say 517, and place the order again. It has got rejected due to some reason. So this will become more convenient for your trading, because you don't have to search for a reason, or you don't have to go and visit the order book. Whenever you place any of the orders, it will show the status then and there itself. So this is one more thing that we have added. So normally how I use keyboard shortcuts is like I normally go by the watch list. So if I'm on the screen, I need to search for a script. I normally do an F4. I will do an Control S for searching a script. I'll search whatever script I want. See, I'll do ICICI. I'll click on this. It gets added. It gets added, and then I can just click on the plus or an F1 button, and my order entry will open up. So this is how convenient it is. Even we have added shortcut keys if you want to directly place a cover order or a bracket order. So the shortcut keys are like F1, Shift F1 for buy order entry for cover. For sell, it is like Shift F2. Shift F3 is for bracket orders, which is known as OCO. Shift F4 is for bracket orders, sell order. So these are the convenient things. If I want to switch, then it is like very fast if I'm just trying to press both the keys simultaneously. So you can see how fast it is. Even these all things. And this is the normal thing. If I want to if I want to switch between buy and sell, this is how easily I can do. Currently I'm pressing F1 and F2. So you can see it is like there's no lagging happening over there. So these are the features that we currently have integrated. If you can see, I have an order book as well. The normal other things are like if I want to modify any of the things in the order book, even there I have an F2 button, which is normally the way you use in Nest. So if I click on F2, so it will open me or modify order entry screen. And in the modify order entry screen, you can see the quantity and the price that is inputted by you. You can change whatever things are available for modification, and you can just place the order. So this is how the modification thing also works. So currently we have added this keyboard shortcuts. Few of the things we are yet to add. It is like if you see that currently we have allowed you into the order entry. In the order entry, you can only change the quantity and price by the keyboard shortcuts like tab and shift tab. But later on we'll be also adding the feature to change your products, then your order type as well. So these are the things that we will be enabling in the next version. So this version will be available possibly on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, each and every version will be available. You can just start trading and let us know your feedback, whatever you feel like. And these are the current update that we currently have in the coming version. So in the next version, we will be having option Greeks. So normally the traders who normally trade on option Greeks, so we will be enabling real-time option Greeks with implied volatility. So that is one of the other sections that we are going to come in the next like 2 weeks. So I will definitely have a webinar on that and will tell you over it. So these are the current features that are currently available with us. We also request you to, if you have any feedbacks, any features that you want us to integrate into Upstox, you can definitely let us know. You can always write us on support@upstox.com, and we will definitely talk to you if there's any help required from your end, and we will try to get all these things integrated. Do share your feedbacks, and if you want to share your feedbacks, do write us on support@upstox.com. If anybody is new to Upstox, if they are viewing it for the first time, then you can definitely want to open an account. Then you can just log in onto new.upstox.com. So from here, you can sign up for a free account, and it is like 100% paperless if you hold a Aadhaar card. So you can open a paperless trading account from this particular website. So, and it will like open your account within one business day. So do write us, do kindly comment on, post your comments on the below section. So see you on the next webinar.